Hey guys, this is a video to review the expectations for your homework. We're doing multi-step operations with rational numbers. I don't want you to pay too much attention to this very first slide because I went in and adjusted some of them. There's not quite so many slides, but just to let you know, we're working on setting up multi-step problems, solving multi-step problems with whole numbers and rational numbers, okay? And as we move through this today, you will all go to Google Classroom to get this assignment. It will make a copy for your drive. You are going to show your work on a different piece of paper, and you will show your work for the ones that require you to have some computation. Some of these slides just require you to type directly into them and then just kind of explain your thinking. I don't necessarily need to see the work for those on scratch paper, but definitely if there's some computations, some things you had to work out, then I want you to show me that on scratch paper and upload it when you turn this in. So for this very first one, we're just working on setting up the problem. So you're going to read the problem and then determine which student was correct about how they decided to solve it with the very first step. So you'll say who is correct and then you'll type how you know that. So just some kind of justification. Try to use complete sentences, and that's all for that one. Okay. Then for this one, you're going to read the problem on the very left-hand side, and then it will allow you to actually go through and drag. I'm in the present mode, so it's not going to let me, but what will allow you to go and drag the slides over in the order that you think you're going to solve this problem, okay? So that's that one. And then we go into multi-step problems with whole numbers. So again, you're going to read the problem on the left, you'll drag and drop. This one asks you to solve the problem, so I do want to see this one on scratch paper. You're going to put your answer right here in the very left-hand box over here. So make sure that you show me the work for this one. Again, there are two different students. They're going to read the same problem. They need to make a determination of who made, both of them made a mistake. You need to figure out what the mistake is, and you're going to type that in the boxes. So again, this is going to require you to solve. In order to figure out their mistake, you have to solve it. So make sure that you show your work on another piece of paper. Now this is problem solving with rational numbers. So you're going to need to figure out what the first step would be, solve the problem, figure out what the first step would be, and who is correct, Libby or Easton. You'll write that, you'll do the justification, and then run more time right here on the left-hand side. You will have your answer. So you need to show this work on another piece of paper as well. For the last problem, it will allow you to type directly into step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then finally your answer, but you are going to have to show your work for this problem. So make sure that you do that, and then when you finish up, you will go back to Google Classroom. You will upload a copy of your work, so it can be a picture, and then you will turn this assignment in to receive credit. I need for you to make notes about any of them that you find particularly difficult or that you really struggle with, so that we can go over those in class together when I see you guys next time. So make sure that you do that. And if you have any questions after we've kind of already dismissed class, or you're working on this the next day, send me a private message on Google Classroom, or you can email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck, guys.